So it's end of September, 1 year later when I did my compost pile 1 year ago, last September. And I wanted to make an update. So my compost pile is doing great. It's like diminishing each time I replenish, and now I have 4 avocado growing on 4 avocado trees. I mean, I already removed 2, but I'm gonna transplant those in a little pot and make a home tree, like not a bonsai, but a small avocado tree, just for decoration. Of course, it won't grow. But in New Jersey, we cannot leave those outside anyway. I'm gonna give them away. So that was the status of my compost pile. So it's good quality because the avocado grew. I mean, because I throw the pits in there. So let's replenish. Also, it's gonna be the time when we do the leaves, and I want to also put some grass clipping, which I do, not all of them, but a bunch. And I put also a little bit of leaves, and when I have brown matter, like the cat litter. But I have to be careful because it's a little acidic, and my compost will be extremely rich, so maybe too much, so I have to dilute it when I use it. But it works fine. I mean, there's no smell, no animals lingering around. I have seen nothing, but I put no animal compost. I mean, I put only vegetal except for the eggshells. That's it. That would be my week of vegetal stuff. Roughly a week, that makes. I'll try to put with one hand, not sure about that. Look at that. Even the mango, I'm gonna put some water even though it rained, and toss it with my fork here. Careful of the avocado. Some water and we will be good. One year later, all is well. I don't regret anything, even though it's like a little, looks flimsy, but it works, and it withheld the elements because we had a full winter with wind and everything. Even though I cannot have this stronger or wooden stuff. Anyway, they would rot in New Jersey, but I cannot like bury them that high. I should be able to cover, but it was impossible. My backyard is too rocky, so I kind of hold them with rocks, but they will hold the elements. Nothing happened, and I'm happy. So my next project in the garden will be to put a raised bed here. And actually it's in the mail, it should arrive tomorrow. So I bought not an expensive one because I'm not sure how well I will manage. I don't want to invest and waste money. So there was a sale on Amazon, so I ordered the quality but not expensive one. That was on sale, and I will install it in between the flower bed. More on that later. And here, can prepare it. It's too late now, of course, I know that, but prepare it for the next season, put the wooden stick, etc. I will film, so stay tuned for the next video on that topic.